What's going on YouTube? This is Anna Maria reporting live from the Mini G Garden. Hello to my family, friends, and strangers that are about to be friends. I'm sorry that today is not going to be a regular video day, but it's a crappy day here at the Mini G Garden, Jersey. But I'm still out here doing what I got to do. I have a lot of transplants that I got to take care of. Peppers, eggplants, cucumbers, and more. And today I'm going to be showing you that I work through no matter what weather or time. Let's get going. Today we're going to be harvesting some beets. Look at that vibrant pink and green foliage. We're just going to make some room for some peppers, eggplant, and tomatoes. Let's see if there's any more that are ready to harvest. Here's another one. Let me know, what do you guys do with your beets? Oh, we got a twinsies over here. Beautiful. Look at those red roots. I love the roots of the beets. Let's see. It's got a little guy over here. I'm gonna be pulling. I just need to make some room. Oh, this is a big chunker over here. Oh yeah. All right. This way we could clear up some of the weeds. Got some volunteer plants that I don't need in here. And we're gonna be making some new homes for plants. I just like to chop and drop anyways. The cabbage heads are coming up, but they're not ready yet. So let's go over here to our cleaning station. Oh yeah. Detroit beets. Now this is my second year growing in this bed on this property. So it's one of my better soil quality beds. So if you have been watching my channel, you know I'm all about digging out my high intensity spacing before I plant. So I got about 6 inches, not even, about like 5 inches or so apart. And I'm gonna be thinking about what I'm gonna be growing in this space. So this is, I guess you can say, the middle of my garden. I have some fruit bushes over here that obviously aren't gonna get too high this year. So I'm thinking about putting eggplant and peppers in this bed. Pretty soon I'm gonna open up this space over here. So I don't know. I'm thinking peppers and eggplant over here, and then when this space opens up, probably some tomatoes, because you always want to plant your beds according to what way the sun shines. So in the front of the bed you want some lower crops, and then in the middle of the bed you want some low to middle crops, and then in the back of the bed you could put some taller crops. So that's what I'm thinking about doing, is some eggplant, pepper, and then maybe tomato over here, so we have all the nightshades in this bed. Who am I kidding? I have nightshades in every freaking bed. So even though this bed has great soil, I always like to amend it a little bit. So what I'm going to be doing is sprinkling some kelp meal in the holes. And it's organic, so you don't have to worry about too much or not enough. And that's all I do, is I like sprinkle a little in each hole. That way has enough nitrogen for the vegetated stage. Now before we start transplanting the peppers and eggplants, I do want to show you an experiment, because you guys know I'm all about experiments. The experiment I did this season on the peppers. So last season I was too chicken to essentially top off the head of the pepper, but this year I got ballsies. I got ballsy as hell, and I topped off my peppers, and essentially I do see a big difference. So let's check it out. So over here are peppers that I've been nursing since they were babies, you could say. Don't mind the eggplants. But these peppers I did not top. Now look at the difference, right? Now look at these peppers. Look at them. Look at that difference. The stem is so much stronger than these guys. Look at the difference. So the stem is completely stronger just by comparison of just the stem alone, you could see. But also, what else do you see that's different between the two? These are starting to fruit and also have more leaves and just a bigger structure. Just look at the difference. And look at these. So, boys and girls, I did all of this to say topping is definitely worth it. So give it a try. Don't be scared, because if you don't, you're definitely missing out. So this is going to be my setup. Eggplant, 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 eggplant. For some reason, I don't know about you guys, but my peppers always grow a little taller than my eggplants. And my eggplants always need more support than my peppers. So I'm going to be putting my eggplant up front and my peppers behind them. And then once the back of the bed opens up, I'll probably do, I don't know, maybe tomatoes and then cucumbers with a trellis in the back. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I'm always open for some comments. But before I start digging, I want to say getting myself dirty, but I'm kind of already dirty, is I am so happy with this one eggplant. I've never seen a monstrosity like this. Look at this. Look at that. It topped itself, I guess. and it's got two, it topped itself, and it's got two big branches that are going to be fruiting instead of, usually it's just one. This is going to be a killer this year. I can't wait. So let's dig into the dirt and let's get to it. Also, let me know in the comments if I should keep this little volunteer plant that's already flowering. All right, so I already started digging into the dirt. Got the first eggplant in. Let's get the second one in. Then I'm gonna come back and put some aspen around. I am soaking wet, guys, but I don't care, because these babies need a home. Look at those roots, guys. Look at those roots. That's all with the help of Mycos root hormone. All organic. Look at those roots. It's raining pretty hard. Look at that beauty. Alrighty, guys, there you have it. I just wanted to show you some footage. I didn't want for you guys to think that I forgot about you guys or that I'm slacking. It's just been horrible weather. Alrighty. I hope you guys enjoy your day. And just know that here in the mini G garden, look at those potatoes growing. We garden no matter what, from AM to PM, no matter the weather. Just keep growing. Have a good day, guys.